Fire extinguisher, you know what's in the center. We went over that. Emergency procedures and exits. Where do you exit from? Beautiful. Where do you go after?
Back plane.
Perfect. Go ahead and open these guys.
Alright.
Circuit breakers all pushed in. Electrical equipment is off. Avionics, buzz 1 and 2 off. Cowl flaps open. Fuel selector valve is on both. Verify. And verified. Okay. Back out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. And cut off. And we start the engine.
Montgomery traffic, CAP Cadet 1820, taking runway 32 with departure to the northeast, Montgomery. Still, release brakes and full throttle. Good morning, this is CAP Cadet 1820 off Gaithersburg. CAP 1820, roger. CAP 1820, transponder observed now, maintain VFR outside of Bravo, altimeter 3014. On course outside Bravo, CAP Cadet 1820. Right, go to the right. Right now we're just going to keep going straight. You see that white tank right there in front of us? We just want you to fly the right finger there. Got my CAP 1820. We have a request. CAP 1820, your request. I'd like to request flight following to Lancaster Airport. You're descending. There you go. So make sure you can see the horizon, okay? If you can't see the horizon, you got to push down a little bit. There you go. Very nice.
Runway 26
before landing.
miles out and stay temperature.
Pass your seat back, close up right position. Yes, yours is as well. Seatbelt secure and locked. Seatbelt secure and locked. Pull your seatbelt. Yep. We're back. 20. Fuel selector both. Mixture control rich. Propeller high RPM. Propeller high RPM. Landing taxi lights on. Landing taxi lights on. Autopilot off. Autopilot is off. Lancaster Tower, November 4th. Now the two lights on the left side of the runway. We're looking for red and white. Lancaster Tower, arrow 41724.
Arrow 41724, Lancaster Tower.
Tower 41724 has information Foxtrot. We're 10 to the north. Request full stop landing.
Arrow 4172, Foxtrot. Enter a right base for runway 26, report 3 miles.
Alright, arrow 41724, we'll enter a 3-mile right base for runway 26, 724.
Lancaster Tower, moving 215 Whiskey, we have 2 miles out. Lancaster Tower, moving 215 Whiskey.
Mooney 2155 Whiskey. Runway 31, clear to land.
31 clear to land, 25 Whiskey, thanks.
CAP 1820, if able, turn left on Delta, contact ground point 8.
Left on Delta, ground point 8 for CAP 1820. Load it up.
Lancaster ground, CAP 1820.
CAP 1820, Lancaster ground.
Toronto Delta would like to taxi to the west ramp.
CAP 1820, taxi to the west ramp via Delta.
West ramp via Delta for CAP 1820.
How'd it feel?
That's great.
Good, perfect. So I like to get back in the air. I'll put another clip and go up like that. You're really good, man. You're a natural.
Thanks.
Definitely got this.